Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Stock Dr. Ara. Friends, today we are going to talk about very important points on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500. We are going to check the 10 to 12 years historical data of Nasdaq, and we will discuss about short-term, medium-term and long-term view of Nasdaq. And we are going to talk about the precious commodities like gold, silver and crude oil. So before we go ahead and start our analysis, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, I would request you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification icon so that you will get notification of all the future videos I am going to make. So let's go and check out our favorite application, TradingView. So friends, this is the chart of Nasdaq Composite Index. Remember friends, this is not Nasdaq 100, this is Nasdaq Composite Index. We used to do the analysis of Nasdaq 100, but today I want to do the analysis of Nasdaq Composite Index. Right now, market is not open. Market will open in next 30 minutes. Okay, so before that we need to I will try to complete my analysis before market opens, but we can at least go and see what the futures are saying. In the pre-market, Nasdaq future is trading at 13,115. Now this is Nasdaq's 100. Okay, Dow future is 33,000, up by 0.1%. S&P future is up by 0.25%. Remember my friends, tomorrow I think there is a decision on interest rate, Fed interest rate decision will be coming on 4th of May. Okay, the previous was 0.5% and the forecast is like 1%. So we will see about that and we will talk about that. So let's go and see what the chart says. So friends, today we are going to use EMA 200. Okay, this is nothing but 200 period exponential moving average. I want to show you the interesting data of last 10 years. Okay, what happened when the index started trading below 200 EMA and how much time it sustained there. Okay, so we will talk about this data, the recent data later, but I want to show you the previous data. Okay, now we are using the day chart here. If you see here, when there was a COVID, we entered below 200 DMA on 9th March 2020, and it last around 13 April 2020, 17 April 2020. For 39 days we were under 200 DMA and then we again spiked up. Then let's go little back. You can see on October 2018 we started trading below 200 DMA till Feb 2019, first Feb 2019, almost for 112 days we were under 200 DMA. Okay, so now we are just going back almost 3 years now. Okay, see this line and try to understand what I'm trying to convey here. These were small pull downs below 200 DMA, like 10 to 12 days. Here it's 5 to 6 days. Here for 79 days we were under 200 DMA. Okay, so that was like from 5th Jan 2016 to 24 March 2016, almost for 3 months. Okay, then here it was almost for 62 days, means from 20 August 2015 to 21 October 2015, almost 3 to 4 months. Okay, again here like 2 to 3 days. Okay, now we are coming in 2014, then we are coming near 2012. In 2012 we were under 200 DMA for almost 10 days. Okay, 16 days. Then here 21 days. Okay, 18 May 2020 to 8 June 2020. and then 146 days when we were in August 2011. Okay, 3rd August 2011 to 27th December 2011, 146 days. You can see here in 2010, almost 12 years back, right? 100 days we were under 200 DMA. Okay, now we will talk about the 2008, where there was a crash. Okay, Lehman Brothers crash. We'll talk about that also. In that time we were under 200 DMA for 251 days, and again 57 days under 200 DMA. Okay, and before that 120 days. So you can consider that this 251 days, this 57 days means 300 days, and then 120 means 300 plus 120, 420 days, almost 420 days we were under 200 DMAs, right? This was first W pattern, then this is second, and third. This was the third W pattern. So in the history of almost 14 years, this was the longest period where we were under 200 DMAs. Means we were below 200 DMA, then again we came back, we again struggled there, we again came below 200 DMA, we struggled, then we came below 200 DMA for longer time because of the Lehman Brothers crash, right? And before that, you can see here, just a moment. And all right, so if you go here before that, then this is like almost we are here we are for under 200 DMA for 116 days. Okay, so we traveled almost 2006 to 2022, means almost 17 years we traveled. Okay, so all this data, what it is suggesting, this is saying that once we come below 200 DMA, we don't sustain more than 1 year and 6 months, right? When there was a crash from Lehman Brothers, we were under 200 DMA for almost 1 year and 6 months. Okay, right now in this market there is no any crash related information. Okay, recession we are talking about, but all the past data we saw where we were under 200 DMA, that time there was a mini recession or some other news. Okay, whatever is there, we didn't sustain more than 150 to 200 days. So now this is the same thing happening here. Okay, you can see here we came under 200 DMA. Okay, in January 2022, we again completed this, right? This 200, we came down below 200 DMA, and then we again reversed back. Okay, now also we are coming under 200 DMA. Okay, here now also we are under 200 DMA date range, we are under 200 DMA. Okay, and we came till this point. Okay, this is almost from last 29 days we are below 200 DMA. Okay, here now there might be possibility that we can again make a second W shape here. Okay, in coming days, I am not sure, but this is just we are trying to create the pattern based on the historical data. Okay, so this is the first possibility. The second possibility is like we complete this W pattern, and then we can again go down more. Okay, in coming months. Okay, and that can come, that can give you the downfall till these levels also, right? Means we can create this W pattern, and again we can start traveling down. Okay, like this, and we can come down like this, stay there, or we can go more down. Okay, stay here for 3 months, 6 months, 1 month. Okay, we don't know, but we know only one important thing, that once we start trading above 200 DMA and sustain above it, okay, means we came out of the negative market, and market might start its uptrend again. So this was about the historical data of Nasdaq. So for you guys, the the study will be you can go and check the historical data for Dow Jones and S&P 500. Okay, for Dow Jones and S&P 500, you will find the same type of relation. All you need to do, you need to go to the indicators. Okay, check for moving average exponential. Okay, click here and go to the settings and change the input to length to 200. Okay, when you click on 200, then you will get the data of 200 DMA. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, and then you can do the analysis, travel back for 10 to 15 years, and you will understand that market didn't stay below 200 DMA for longer time. So all this says that this is the right opportunity coming in the market for coming months or coming few days, few months, or few sessions where we will be getting a good opportunity to start our investment. Okay, so suppose you have let's say $10,000. Okay, so how we will start our investment? Okay, based on this data. So I would say that I have drawn the levels for Nasdaq composite. Okay, so right now we are trading here near 12,200. Okay, 12,000 to 12,500 is the closing, okay, of the Friday. If we now, this is the first support area of Nasdaq. This is lying between 12,200 to 12,500. Once we start trading below 12,200, okay, high probability that we can come toward this is the first range, 11,500, then 10,009, 10,800. These all the red lines are the levels where we can come. Okay, but at this point of time, for this support level, okay, I would say you to invest 20% of your amount. Okay, or rather I would invest 20% of my capital here right now at this point. Okay, next 20% I will be investing at 11,500. Okay, and the next will be at 10,800. So what I did, out of my capital, I have invested 60% into these levels, right? One at the current level, second at 11,500, third at 10,800, and in case the worst situation comes, and if it comes at 9,800, okay, levels, I would invest my remaining 40% here. Okay, I would invest my remaining 40% here. Okay, and it will be like total 100% investment will be done, okay, in these levels. Okay, and give the time period of almost 1 year. I mean, this will take if it comes between 6 to 9 months, okay, then we need to give the time period of almost 2 to 3 years, okay, to travel back and give us a very handsome return. Okay, now what if it doesn't come below this and start shaping going up? So that's why we have done our first investment at this point of time at this level, right? And we will do our next investments once it starts trading above this 200 EMA. Once we start trading above this 200 EMA and sustaining above it, then we will start investing more amount above that level. And you can see the trend line also. Okay, you can draw a trend line, okay, like this, and this trend line says that let me show you. Okay, so this will be game changer. Okay, so if we don't come down that much, okay, and start doing our uptrend, then we can do our next investments, right? Once we create this kind of breakout, okay, we start trading above this 200 EMA, and we start trading above 14,500, then the cash which we didn't invest, which we waited for the downfall, we will invest at this point of at this level. Okay, so this was about short term, medium term, and long term level of Nasdaq composite index. We will quickly go through the levels for the Dow Jones and S&P 500. So for the Dow Jones, right now the support area is 32,500 to 33,000, almost 500 point is the support area. Right now we closed above the upper part of this support area. Okay, the first resistance is coming around 34,000, second resistance is coming around 34,800, third resistance is coming around 35,500. If we start trading below 34,400, sorry, if we start trading below 32,400, means if we break this support area, then the first support is coming around 31,500, second is coming around 30,800, and third is coming around 30,000. Okay, these are the three levels. Same logic we will apply here. 20% we will put capital right now at this level, second will be at 31,500, third is at 30,800, and all in for 30,000 levels. Okay, and let's talk about S&P 500 levels. For S&P 500 levels, same thing here. Current support area is 4,070 to 4,150. This is the first support area where we are lying. Okay, the next support is coming around, let me show you the level for the next support. The next support is coming around, you can say 3945. Okay, 3945 is the next support. This after that the 3850 and 3700, these are the three support area. Okay, first is 3975, second is 3856, and then 3700. These are the levels which we can watch out for, and the last amount we will put when it comes around 3400. I don't think it will come that much down, but yes, if it comes, then that will be the golden opportunity for us. So friends, this was about all three index of US market. I hope you are learning something out of this video. Okay, in case you are learning, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends and family members. Now we are going to talk about three precious commodities: gold, silver, and crude oil. For gold, you can see I've said so many times that 1900 is the best level. Once it starts trading about 1900, then gold can go towards 1950, 2000 and 2050 levels. All those levels got achieved. Okay, let's see here. Right now gold is trading below 1900. Right now it is trading near 1862 levels. Gold has the first support at 1840 and the second support is coming around 1800. I would say this is also best opportunity to invest into gold in the small chunks. The first at 1840 levels and second will be at 1800 level. If gold comes around 1820 to 1800 level, this will be golden opportunity to invest more in gold, because you can see the confluence, the trend line support is coming near this level, and the gold has the major support around 1800 level. If we get any candle like this, right, in the future, definitely gold will be added. At this point of time also, I would suggest to add some diversify some funds at this range also, and more when it comes towards 1840 and 1800 dollars range. Okay, then we will talk about the silver. I would say silver, right now silver is at a best level where we should invest some amount, because you can see silver had so many supports, so many times silver support tested this support. This is first time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth, seventh. Silver continuously took support at this level, on this level in the past, and right now it is near this level. Again it can retrace back to these levels. Okay, and once it starts trading about $26, then silver will be giving a very good opportunity where it can go till $30 to $31. Okay, so silver will be the good opportunity for investment for the long term. Okay, so don't add it aggressively, add in the chunks. Okay, and the next commodity we have is crude oil. Okay, crude oil, let's zoom it here. Now crude oil is creating a wedge pattern here. You can see this is the first top, this is first bottom, second top, second bottom, third top, third bottom, fourth top. It might go and create a fourth bottom, okay, near 100 to $96 levels. So I would not recommend any long position in the crude oil, but yes, one can create the short opportunity in the crude oil. Once crude oil starts trading and sustaining above 106, then the upside will come in the crude oil. Okay, the resistance is at $106. Once it break, then it can go back to 107.5, 110, and on sustaining above 110, the targets will be so high that it can go back to 115, 122.5, and bigger levels. So we will not talk about that at this point of time, but these are the levels. Okay, so this is all about today, my friends. I hope you like this video. In case you have any questions related to your positions, okay, in case you are stuck in any stock and you want to know the levels of that stock, you can definitely put your comment on this video. Okay, and I will try to go through it and try to give you the levels for the same. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, put your comments, share it with your friends and family members so they will also get the benefit out of it. And last but not least, let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends.